Hello class. Today we're going to go over chapter 9, which is payroll. Payroll is what you're going to be working on this week. Right now you're seeing my screen and I'm in Connect, but I'm over inside of the electronic book. You can pull up the same information on your electronic book by going to Connect and hitting the ebook and then opening up chapter 9. I want to point out to you this week the important information in Chapter 9 and the tables that you want to pay close attention to and spend extra time with. I am going to suggest for this chapter, and you should be doing this for every chapter actually, reading through all the material, going over the examples before you start your work. One of the most important tables in Chapter 9 for payroll is going to be, we're going to scroll down, Table 9.1 and Table 9.2. 9.1 shows you your percentage method for income tax withholding allowances for weekly, biweekly, semi-annually, and so forth. And then Table 9.2 is going to help you to be able to calculate your taxes. These two tables are very important. Both of them will be on the final exam, and you'll be using them there. But you'll also have to use both of these tables for your homework, okay? So spend a little extra time on page 256 on this table, and then the other table is on page 257, okay? And also the calculations down here and the way to use the tables. The second thing I want to point out to you for this chapter is this area on page 250. It's the beginning of page 255, end of page 255, beginning of page 256. For this chapter, you're going to be learning how to pay self-employment taxes, which are made up of, and we also call it FICA, Social Security, and Medicare. Okay, the full name are self-employment taxes. For the purpose of this chapter, we break them into those three areas. I want to give you a little pointer. When you are calculating Social Security, there is a base. And what this base means is after you've hit that amount, you no longer are paying Social Security taxes. So someone like Oprah, who we know makes way over $128,400 a year, once she pays her Social Security on that base, okay, then she doesn't owe any more after that, okay? Medicare has no base, so you always pay Medicare, okay? There's no limit there. And this will come into play based off of how high a person's earnings are. So just be aware of that when you're calculating Social Security taxes. If the wages are rather high, such as they are in this example, they're very close to the base. And once they pay up to that base, that person, that worker, employee will no longer be paying Social Security tax, but they will continue to pay Medicare taxes, okay? I just wanted to point that out. Spend a little extra time here as well understanding this example. You'll see here that Janet only owes left on $1,200, so she pays that. So you also can show her Medicare. For Janet, let's say for her next paycheck, she's already paid up to the $128,400. She won't owe any Social Security taxes. So I always want to point this out to you because this is a little tricky, and I want you to understand what this base means, okay? As I said before, spend a little extra time on those two tables. Really 9-2 is an important area of the chapter. And I hope that this little video has helped you, and good luck this week on chapter 9 homework.